Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a kettlebell workout. So we have 6 exercises. Each exercise is done 10 reps, and then this is meant to be done 10 times. So I will do the first set with you, and then you can do the next 2 sets on your own. So we're going to start with kettlebell squats. So just squat, make sure you keep that back straight. Good. So it'll take a few seconds in between. Make sure before you do this workout you are warming up and then cooling down after. I'm just doing the workout with you, but those 2 things are very important. We're going to do 10 kettlebell swings, so I'll turn to the side. Really want to explode from your hips. Good. Make sure you also have your water with you. Next, we're going to do deadlift. So again, I'll turn to the side. You want to have your knees slightly bent. You should feel it in your hamstrings. Two more. Good job. Good. Again, we'll take a few seconds rest in between. Our next exercise is going to be bent over row. So we're going to bend over and pull up and row. 10 of these. Good. Again, we'll take a couple seconds rest. We have 2 more exercises to do. And then, like I said, this is done, made to be done 3 times. So you can follow this video again and do it 3 more times. Next, we're going to do 10 side bends, 10 per side. So I'm going to just do all 10 on this side. You should feel it over here in your obliques. And we'll switch. 10 over here. Good. All right, we'll take a little bit of a break. And then we have 1 more exercise. This is another one you're going to do on both sides. So we're going to do 10 bicep curls on this side. A little different than using a dumbbell or a barbell, but still does the same thing. Good, and then 10 on the other side. Good. All right. So, again, this is a kettlebell workout. We did 6 exercises, 10 reps of each, and then this is meant to be done 3 times. If you want to do a little less or a little more, that's totally up to you. And as I said before, make sure you are warming up before you start exercising, and make sure you're all cooling down and stretching, because both of those are really important to keep your muscles healthy and keep you feeling good. So thank you for joining us today. Have a good one.